Welcome to solverfy.
Hello students. So the question is what is the minimum amount of NaOH required in the solution? So we have been given the concentration of Fe3 plus, which is 0.0150 molar, and the volume of Fe3 plus in aqueous solution is 0.450 liters, and the concentration of NaOH which is needed to be added, so it is 1.28 molar. So in step 1 we'll calculate the number of moles, which is denoted by N, the number of moles of Fe3 plus in the solution. So here we will be using this formula where the molarity is equal to the number of moles divided by the volume in liters. So let's put the value over here to calculate the number of moles of iron 3 plus. So from here the number of moles of iron 3 plus is equal to the molarity, and this will be in multiplication. So the molarity is 0.0150 molar multiplied by the volume, which is 0.450 liters. So here the number of moles of Fe3 plus is thus equal to, so let's write here the number of mole of Fe3 plus is equal to 0.00675 mole. So this is the number of mole of iron 3 plus. Now in step 2 we'll find the number of moles which will be required in the reaction, which will require to react with Fe3 plus iron in this reaction. So here we have iron 3 plus. So here in the reaction, by seeing the stoichiometric equation, we can see that the 1 mole of iron, 1 mole of Fe3 plus is reacting with 3 moles of NaOH. So it is in the ratio of 1:3. So the mole ratio is 1:3. So to calculate the number of moles of NaOH which will be requiring in this equation is equal to 3 into the number of moles of iron which is actually present, and it is 0.00675. So by calculating it, we'll get the number of moles of NaOH, and here it is equal to 0.02025 mole. So this is the number of moles of NaOH. Now in step 3, we'll calculate the volume of NaOH required in the equation. So we'll be using the formula of the molarity denoted by the capital M, which is equal to the number of moles divided by the volume of the NaOH in liters. So we need to calculate the volume. So by using this, we can calculate the volume in liters of the NaOH, and it is equal to the number of moles, which is 0.02025 mole as calculated in step 2, divide by the molarity of the NaOH which is given in the question, and it is 1.28 molar. So by calculating, we'll get the volume in liters. So here it is 0.01582 liters. So this is the volume of NaOH. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.